everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some brownies, homemade brownies. And the reason why I decided to show you this is because my family loves brownies. No one dislikes it, so it just happens to be the easiest thing to make. Prep time is about 10 to 15 minutes, as long as you know your measurements. And once it goes in the oven, it takes less than 25 minutes. Okay, so for the ingredients, the first thing you'll need is cocoa powder unsweetened, granulated sugar, some salt, all-purpose flour, vegetable or canola oil, pure vanilla extract, some milk chocolate chips, some powdered sugar, and 3 eggs. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is preheat the oven to 350. And then in a big bowl, you're going to put 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then you're going to put also in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Okay, and next up is the powdered sugar. You're only going to need about 1/3 cup. And you're going to put it all in the same bowl. Okay, and the next ingredient is salt, and you're only going to put 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Any salt is fine also. Okay, and then the next thing is all-purpose flour. You're going to need about 1 cup of that. Okay, and the next thing is going to be chocolate chips. You're going to put 1 cup. You can put whatever you prefer, but I usually put around 1 cup. This is what your bowl should look like after putting in those ingredients. You're going to mix it, and it's going to turn into a light brown color. Okay, in another bowl, you're going to put 3 eggs. Next up, you're going to put your 1/2 cup of vegetable or canola oil. For the vanilla extract, you're only going to need about 2 teaspoons of it. And last but not least, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of water. And then you're going to mix everything up. Once you have everything mixed up, you're going to put the liquid ingredients into the red bowl and slowly mix them together. And it will come out thick, but that's how they're supposed to come out. This is what your bowl should look like after mixing all your ingredients together.
So basically I have one of these brownie pans that you lift up and that you put down, so once you start cooking them, when it's done, you just pick it up and they're already sliced.
Okay, the only thing you have to do to prep the pan is spray it all down. Make sure you spray it really good so they don't stick to the pan. Okay, and once you have the pan spray down, you're going to go ahead and pour it all around, and you're going to have to spread it throughout the pan since the batter is so thick. It might take a while since it's so thick and it's hard to come off the bowl. And you also have to make sure you spread it out evenly so the brownies cook evenly. If not, one side might be cooked and the other one might still be raw. Then you're going to go ahead and put your brownie slicer into the pan before you put it in the oven. And this is what it should look like. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. Okay, and then I went ahead and set my timer for 25 minutes. Okay, with 3 minutes left, I decided to go ahead and check it. And they happened to be ready. So I went ahead and took them out and turned off the oven. And then once they're cooled down, you can go ahead and take the slicer out. And then this is what your brownies should look like after. Already sliced and ready to take out of the pan. Okay, and here's the end result of my brownies.